Hi, Assalamu alaikum. So, I am Ahmad Musabir, lecturer in Zoology, Government College, University, Hyderabad. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss an important clade of kingdom Animalia, Ichthyosauria, and I also discuss the introduction of one of the phylum of this clade. So, I am asking a few questions from you. Okay, what phylum of animals found in freezing point in Arctic ice? In what phylum has a member that live in sulfide-rich marine sediments? And what phylum has the member that found in the millipede girds? What phylum has member that uh, parasitize in the placentas of sperm whale? In what phylum over 200 species found in a few cubic centimeter of marine mud? In what phylum that 90,000 individuals were found in a single rotting apple? In what phylum has the member that are decomposer, they are a predator, they are free living, they are a parasitic in this, they are agent of biocontrol, they are agent of the disease, they cause widespread disease. So in what phylum has the parasitic member and that kills other animal, especially invertebrate and vertebrate? So answer of these all question is that is the phylum Nematoda. This is the only phylum which have these unique features. And because of these interesting features, most of the biologists or zoologists spend their years of their life to study this group of phylum. Okay, now we are discussing Ichthyosauria. So Nematoda is just one of the 8 phyla of the clade Ichthyosauria. Other phyla of this clade is phylum Nematomorpha, Loricifera, Caenorhyncha, Priopelida, Arthropoda, Tardigrada, and Onychophora. In these all 8 phyla have a particular character, unique character together, similar character, that is the presence of non-living cuticle. And that non-living cuticle mold with the passage of time. As the juvenile or kid grow in the size, it shades out their cuticle, shed out their skin. So molting of cuticle or shedding of cuticle is known as the ecdysis. So because of this ecdysis, this clade is known as the ecdysozoa. And this ecdysozoa has pseudocoelomate members and also coelomate member. For example, arthropods, tardigrades, or Onychophora, these are the coelomates, while Nematoda, Nematomorpha, Loricifera, Caenorhyncha, Plyropida, these are the pseudocoelomates. So pseudocoelom in these animal act as a hydrostatic skeleton, and it also help in the body movement. And pseudocoelom has not such phylogenetic significance as the cuticle has. Cuticle is now recognized as a unique feature, while pseudocoelom is not have the such significance. So this is the phylogeny of the kingdom Animalia. These are the ancestor of the animals, protistans. Then already we have discussed the basal phyla, After that, we have discussed a clade that's known as a Lophotrochozoan. In Lophotrochozoans, we discuss various animals, phyla, like we discussed phylum Acanthocephalon and other one, and now we are discussing this clade Ichthyosaurozoa. So Ichthyosaurozoa has the two feature. One, that some of its member are pseudocoelomates. Because of the pseudocoelom, it resembles the previous clade Lophotrochozoa, like Acanthocephalon belong to Lophotrochozoa, and it has the pseudocoelom, so it's a feature with the, and Arthropoda is the coelomate, and other are the coelomates. After this Ichthyosaurozoa, we will discuss about this clade, that's a Deuterostroma. So in this lecture and after this lecture, many other lectures will be on the various phyla of this clade. Let's discuss the phylum Nematoda. Phylum Nematoda, nematodes means thread, or they are known as a thread worm or round worm. If we do the cross section of this one, you will find it as a round, and they are found in every environment. Almost they have conquered all environment. As I previously said, that they are found in the Arctic ice, they found in the sulfide sediment, they found in the soil, they found in the mud, they found in the body of the invertebrate, they found in the body of the vertebrate, they found everywhere. They have conquered every part of the earth, and they are most abundant animal by the number, means 5 billion nematodes were recorded from single acre of a fertile garden soil. And even as I discussed previously, that zoologists recorded 90,000 individual of nematode from a single rotting apples. So they are abundant in the number. And up to now, almost 25,000 species has been recorded. But it's estimated that there are more than 5 lakh species are of this one. And regularly, scientists are recording these one. They are roundworms. These roundworms feed on almost every source, means organic matter, as well as they feed on invertebrates, vertebrate tissue, plant tissue, and the size is from microscopic to the large size. Means for example, whenever you are eating some fruits, you will notice some worms in that one. So these are also nematodes. Let's discuss more. So nematode have developed a variety of lifestyle from free living to parasites. Free living में है parasites, so these are the parasites on the plants and as well as the animal, and they also play a great important role in recycling nutrients in soil, and they are used as an agent of biological control. Biological control, you know that when we control one animal with another one, so that's known as biological control. They also cause the many human diseases. You know about Escheriasis, Elephantiasis, Trichuriasis. These all diseases are caused by these. Now let's discuss the feature of the nematodes. They are triploblast, means having three layers, germinal layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Bilateral means body can be divided into two. They are vermiform, means long and cylinder. Look at this one. It's a long and cylinder. Long and cylinder means thin. There is no segment in the body, and they have pseudocoelom. So they are vermiform, unsegmented, and pseudocoelomate. Body round, They are means if you do the cross section, we have done, this is a cross section of this so cross section, outer this one is the cuticle, and after that there is a epidermis. This cuticle is shaded periodically in the juvenile, in the kids, in the baby. So this is the particular feature of this one. They have the complete digestive tract. This is the mouth region, buccal cavity, pharynx, and then this intestine goes on this one. So they have the complete digestion. In the mouth it bears sensory organ, and the lips of mouth is a typical taxonomic feature. They have unique excretory system, means one or two renate cells. This is the excretory canal, you can say. So they have the excretory canal for excretion. Body wall, the taxonomy of nematodes. Nematodes, the taxonomy of nematode is the subject of intense discussion. The molecular biologists and the morphological taxonomists disagree with each other. According to morphological study, which is always contested by the molecular study, it has the two classes. One is the class Cincinnati and second is the class Adenophora.